We begin with breaking news and a damning report on what caused the LRT derailment that has shut down the Confederation line since mid-September.
The Transportation Safety Board says the second derailed train was being worked on following that initial derailment in August, but basic safety critical maintenance wasn't done, and the train derailed because someone didn't tighten bolts on a gearbox. CTV's Megan Shaw joining us with details tonight. Megan?
Graham, Canada's transportation watchdog says inconsistent and incomplete maintenance, that's to blame for the events on September 19th, saying the train was released from the shop only to cause a serious derailment, and that was just days later. Ottawa's LRT system has been out of service now for nearly 7 weeks after that LRT car derailed at Tremblay Station. Now a full report from the TSB says the bolts connected to the gearbox were left loose. The train was released and derailed 5 days later. The loose bolts caused the gearbox to drop, damaging the train and several hundred meters of tracks before it stopped west of Riverside Drive, shutting down that system. Of course, that shutdown has now dragged on for weeks, and a critic of the whole system is Councillor Catherine McKenney. They say the public-private partnership, or P3 arrangement, is to blame.
This P3 is a fail. It's been a failure from the start. It never ran for 12 days error-free, and after a few days it broke down. It's broken down ever since. What we can do today is we can take that maintenance contract back. For $5 million a month, we can hire somebody who knows how to torque bolts.
Now, McKenney is still calling for a judicial review of the system, while the TSB is now recommending the city and Rideau Transit Group conduct an in-depth review of all work performed to confirm procedures are followed. Patricia.
All right, CTV's Megan Shaw live for us tonight. Thanks, Megan.